If you've seen the MyDashCard app and wondering if it's actually worth using, here's a quick breakdown. So first, what is it? MyDashCard is a mobile finance app designed to manage a prepaid debit card. Inside the app, you can activate your card, check your balance, track transactions, deposit checks, and even freeze or unfreeze your card instantly. Now let's talk about the pros. One advantage is simple spending tracking. The app lets you quickly view transactions and account balances, making it easy to monitor your money. Another plus is useful account tools like bill payments, real-time notifications, and ATM locators. And in app stores, it actually has high ratings of around 4.5 to 4.7 stars, suggesting many users find it functional for basic prepaid card management. But there are some big downsides. Many users report login issues and app bugs, such as being unable to access their accounts to view balances. There are also complaints about customer support and hidden fees, which can make resolving problems difficult. And some review analyses give the app a very low safety and legitimacy score, warning users to be cautious before trusting it with funds. So what's the verdict? The MyDashCard app isn't necessarily a scam, but it does have mixed reliability and customer service complaints. If you already have the prepaid card, the app might be useful for managing it, but if you're choosing a financial app from scratch, you might want to consider more established options. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.